News fans. Oh man. Another game that we slipped away. 5-2 loss over the Tampa Bay Lightning in Tampa. We were up 2-0, and then after that, Lightning scored 5 unanswered goals. Man, just disappointing to see this happen again. This has happened for, of course it happened, last week or something. Against Nashville when we were up 3-0, and then, 6 unanswered goals. Now this time up, and then lose by 5 unanswered goals. Distinct. But first it would be David Perron, who put us up 1-0, and it was ruled unassisted goal. Number 9 on the year for Perron. 1-0 St. Louis. And then the best moment of the game, 32 seconds later after the Perron goal. It would be, we have a new player, Wade Megan. His first ever NHL goal, and we got him from the minor leagues from Chicago Wolves, and this may be his only game playing for us, because then he'll be probably after this be back to the minor. But that was just awesome to see. This first NHL goal plus a 2-0 after 20. Then after that, just slept away, We played very well, especially on offense in that first period. And second period just slipped away. And really, third period just slipped away. So first would be Brian Boyle, who would make it 2-1. And then, it would be tied at 2 after 40, and then, of course, in our last 2 games, it would go overtime with a 2-2 score. But, in the third period, Lightning would take the lead, and we'll get the game winner by Alex Killorn, number 11 on the year for him. So 3-2 Lightning. And then Jonathan Drouin, who had the final 2 goals in about 2 minutes. Well, actually, no, probably less than that. Make it 5-2. Jonathan Drouin. Now has 10 goals on the year, so disappointing. And wants to be goal by Jonathan Drouin, not make it 4-2. Carter Hutton would be in the game. And then, but only for like a minute, maybe less. So, disappointing, yeah. And St. Louis native Ben Bishop did not start in this game. He is actually supposed to be out for 3 to 4 weeks after that, I believe, knee injury that he had against Detroit on Tuesday. And so Andrei Vasilevsky started in this game. He played pretty well. The Russian, who's only, I believe, 21 years old. So, disappointing. And, we had the holiday break. We got, 5 days off? Yeah, 5 days off. Come back home Wednesday. Host Philadelphia Flyers. So of course, they're coming off their 10-game winning streak, and then it was snapped. They've lost 3 in a row, I believe. So we'll just see how we do. Next Wednesday, 28th. But this loss, we're just, I don't know. And also, this was the first time in the first period that we were up 2-0 all season. But, it just stinks. So we'll just see how we do. I believe it's a 5-game homestand starting next week. Including the Winter Classic game, the first will be the Flyers coming to town. But anyway, until next week. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. As always, remember, guys saying Go Blues.